Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to insert a file from your documents on the Pages application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, tap on the browse icon, click on my phone, and then you can either create a new document by tapping on create document option, or you can also select from the existing documents. Tap on the plus icon at the top of the screen, and then you should click on the insert from button. Tap on recents or browse, and all you have to do is clicking on the relevant file that you want to insert into your document. As you can see, your document has been inserted. So if you want to cut it, copy it, paste it, or delete it, just simply click on it and choose from these options. You can also select objects, comment, or link to it. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.